Starting new episode from Primary Mathematics 3A. Let's get started. Exercise 1.1 first question. Write the numbers. Look, here is a box and here is 1000 marble, right? Next box, here is a 100, 100, 100. What does mean? It means 100 plus 100 plus 100. It means 300. So here is a 300 plus here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. The result is 1306. Next one. Here is a 1000 box, another 1000 box. We can write like this: 1000 plus 1000. It will be 2000, right? And here is a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 40. And here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the result? The result is here is a 2000 and then 40 and then 8. So it will be 2048. 2048. Next one. It's looking a little bit complex, but we have to solve this one. How? Look, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is a 10 and 10. That means 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means here is a 1000. And here is a each 100, 100 and 100. So here is a 300. What about in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, 10, 10, 10. Here is 40. And here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the result? Result is 1000, then 300, then 40, and finally 4. So 4, 4, 3, and 1. It means 1, 3, 4, 4 is our answer. Next one. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, right? So here is a 4000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is a 6. So we can write this one 4000, 60, and then 6. Once we make summation, 6, 6, 0, 4. It means here is a 4066. Very simple. Number E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means here is 8000, right? 8000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. It means 8009. We can write in here 8009. So question 1 has done. It's a very important. We are in exercise 1 of primary mathematics 3A, which is numbers to 10,000. Now we are going to start question 2. Number 2, write the numbers. Here is a table. First table is 1000, then 100, then tens, then ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is a 5000. 100, 1 and 2. It means 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means 70. And here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is a 8. If you feel confusion to make summation like this way, you can write in rough like this. 200, then 70, and then 8. So 8 plus 0, 0, 0, it will be 8, 7 plus 0, 0, 7, 2 plus 0, 2, and 5. Our answer is 5278. Number A, done. Number B, here is a 2000, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 50. So here is a 2050, right? How? 2000, and here is a 50. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 0, and 2. Number C. Number C, here is a 1000, 100, tens, and ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it means 4000. Here is a 200. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, mid 7. So 4207, we can write like 400, then 200, and then 7. So here is a 7024. So our answer is 4207. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is a 6000. 1, 2, 3. Here is a 30. 30 tens. 3 tens, right? 3 tens. It means 3 number of 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30. And here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we can write 6000 and then 30 and then 5. So 5306. 6035 is our required answer. Number 2 has done. Next video we will start from question 3 of exercise 1.1. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.